Butter.
Mum, because we both got baking paper.
Yeah, I know.
Were you meant to get baking paper?
Yeah, because I thought we would have glad wrap. Because I think you guys bought foil. Do you want a chocolate? Bring it here.
There's the chocolates
Brown sugar
here.
and cream. You're gonna see the hint of it. Ooh. What's the flavor?
Bring a mix.
Plain flour.
That's yours. No, it's two for $4.
What's the flavor?
Bring a mix.
Plain flour.
That's yours. No, it's two for $4. I know. Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah, and then it goes into one.
And corn flour. Come.
And then you get a glove. And start with
She just add something else like
baking powder.
baking powder, baking soda, corn flour.
Yeah, that's the dough.
Okay, we're gonna wait until the end.
Maybe since you stay here.
Mixing together. Gently massage.
Kneading.
Gently mixed. And bunch. And bunch. Almost there. Yeah. What's this?
Huh? No, M&M. Choc chip.
Choc chip.
I know what it is. Do you want chocolate?
How many you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, maybe they can.
Put this in here. Put the ice here. there.
Iron Sky Blue One Actual.
Coaches. Yes, that's for us.